Welcome to 2-Minute Tips for the Job Seeker. And today's burning question is, so I sent in the application. So what happens now? So you've applied for your dream job, but now you're watching the clock. Let's turn that anxious waiting into productive anticipation, because it's usually always a waiting game. But guess what? I have your playbook. Tip 1, network like a pro. Put down your phone, your tablet, or your computer, or whatever you're searching on, and guess what? Pick up another phone. Use this time to connect with industry professionals, because guess what? It's not always about what you know. A lot of the times it's who you know. Tip 2, be a mystery shopper. Visit potential future workplaces, places that you're interested in. Go there, check out the culture, look around, get a feel for the environment. But remember, stay incognito. Sunglasses and a fake mustache might be a little overkill, but if you're watching this video, chances are you're a pretty smart cookie and you're not going to be walking around looking like Sherlock Holmes. Tip 3, learn and upskill. While you're waiting to hear back from that hiring manager, why not become a connoisseur of the niche or industry that you're interested in working in? Upskill with some online courses or some webinars, join some social groups that are focused in your industry. They are the garnish on your professional presentation. Tip 4, follow up finesse. If it goes a week without you hearing from that hiring manager, or not even a notification if they've received your resume, send them a polite follow-up message. It can be an email or a direct message saying something subject like anxiously waiting, and then put the title of the job that you applied for. Tip 5, win as the mental gymnast. Stay positive and cook up a daily dose of self-motivation and encouragement. Remember, a watched pot seems to never boil, and a watched inbox is just slow. Don't let the post-application blues set in. Be proactive, be patient, and most importantly, be prepared for when that call potentially comes in. Until next time, I'm Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality. And remember, keep your spirits high and your resumes even higher.